Now today we decided to spend our day out in nature in this beautiful Arizona weather. But before that, we ran into some wildlife. Check it out. That's what we get to see today. On our trail, a nice little rattlesnake. Now it's not buzzing, but think about it. There's been people running through here. For those of you clowns thinking I'm going to the snake, I'm not. I'm staying to the side. I don't like that it's facing this way, but it's not rattling, so it's not mad. Want to pass first?
No.
All we gotta do is stay to the side and pass. Leave it alone, it'll leave you alone. Well, I think we'll enjoy the rest of our day cooling off in the beautiful Arizona water. Take care. See you later. Bye-bye.